alright, I'm gonna do the phone with. But listen, come, let me tell you something. Bling has a joke with this body thing. Me not take her serious. She's not serious. She's not serious. From she first come out, she want to do the body. She's not serious.
Made me serious like a judge.
At 2,500 of your breast, you know.
Where me get it from?
I'm tired.
Wait.
now. Right now, to all me feel, June 14, people, Derek Morgan birthday, the place to be. Right here on Derek Morgan's live. And Derek is going to play an official match. And look, run out to Uncle Derek. He wanted to play with his mother. So he will be playing with his mother. So all of Derek, uncle, auntie, nephew, family on the run right out and shoot Uncle Derek. Derek need an outfit for the 2 day at the Rio at Ocharias. That's where he wants to go. Gonna run out to Uncle Derek.
Alright, Bling. Message to Shibada. Mr. Shibada. I want to bring this over Africa now. Tell Mr. Shibada, we hear remote, we hear him rolling. Tell him same can turn down the carburetor now and turn down the engine. And we could start a new page, we understand. Tell him that we don't want American. So him can just leave off and Bling now and move on.
So, right? So somebody tell Mr. Shibada, start me. Where must about me?
You know one here.
So what is he saying? Like what?
You know one here. So we rather just rest the case and send a petition to done it because I don't, but because you see, as me I tell you, say a lot of things are going on in the media around.
Yeah, Shibada go come for me because of Martin. Because yes, that's why Shibada go come for me because Cheese Blood Clot take down Martin out of the box. And from that I have not said it.
Another, let me tell you where I come here for. Do you really know what I'm going to do?
Me don't know what I'm going, but guess what? It's like...
Bring the business phone, come, Milo. May I demonstrate to you. May I bring the evidence. In the meanwhile, let's continue to come. Give me a minute. Come.
Oi, I
could do your fundraising.
Okay.
Because Bling now already, you know, Bling a joke, you know. Bling, come and could do the fundraising for the belly.
What is say about me?
I'm going to make it here. What
say about me?
Ladies and gentlemen.
To the man add back, the bleaching cream guy.
Ladies and gentlemen, viewers' discretion is strongly recommended. I'm asking you, please, before I play this video, that I'm about to play, I'm just playing it not to cause any war with the Blingionaires nor the royal family. I'm just playing this video to prove points.
You're so good like dog. You always walk and defend the kill this boy, dude. The girl said Ableboss, so the
What's that?
like dog. And you use all your tops and roses then come to Jamaica for local cocky because you ever want vacation from body. If you know you like Sonat, why you run off? If you know you like Sonat, Miss Blinger, you come and talk about unique. Make sure move her big this and her big that. Miss Blinger go suck your mother. Go suck out your stinking old big crutches, suck out mama. Go suck your mama double back Blinger. Blinger with the whole of the fat them underneath you so. Remember you're so fat like he get liquor, he catch mums. Miss Blinger, turn back way and take a picture. Turn back way and take a picture. You favor the twist donut. I want you, Miss Blinger, you're full of line. Like them seeing you regular dirty Blinger. You're not fat in the right places and your ear one do. Every girl wear one ear up with an ass tail. Go put in coat tail, Miss Blinger. Fix up yourself. You still gonna walk and take different khaki. Like I you them did the work from we sink up a label body. Dirty Blinger. You come and take set per uni. But she big and kill it. Nobody kills like you because you suck RT wood. You suck RT wood for $500 US. And that if I talk about suck khaki Blinger. Bling a member say you walk a married man. Remember man mash up like Lady P. Remember man dog out you like Lady P, you know. Oh, remember you got through cocky trauma, man stress. Remember all of that. You eat all the boy from State Farm, Mr. Jake. You eat every man with operator. You eat all the meal IE. Cause you can't get nobody. You can't get nobody. So you eat all the IE. Move your stinking self. If you talk about how Ableboss, Ableboss is a predator. And you're not talking about that. And for such, me can't respect you no more, Miss Blinger. Go suck your mother. Go suck out your big old mother, Miss Blinger. Girl, but you now look on how
Commercial break. Pussy, people soon get rid of your mother. And your maga cranky blood clot. Go for your knee and pray with the same Bible. When me just say, go suck your mother. Back to the show.
But Shibada full of AIDS like bumbuckler dog. Who is thinking Shibada? To come attack, but who is dirty Shibada? Eh? Shibada we always a lock him foot where I will up blood clot shit in him body. Eh? You ever see Shibada and Shibada and lock him foot yet?
But the boy got decisions.
Eh? You ever see Shibada do a video? Go suck your mama. Hey, I watch it up them thinking mode. Eh? Who watch it up on a thinking mode there, so? Come come ready for you all out, you know.
Stop this girl. You want to suck our pussy?
Bumbuckler bright.
Yeah,
Come down.
make sure move a big this and a big that. Miss Blinger go suck your mother. Go suck out your
Alright, so Miss Bling.
Alright.
The more day, more can angry.
You don't.
Alright, so that is it now.
Alright. So listen. First of all, I was handling Abel, and me telling people say we have to bring down him dirty blood clots, and you know me and Abel no plan T align. Whatever did to Unique is wrong, and we have to class him and bring him down, which we had already started last night. Right? So I come this morning with some whole heap of files. Shibada, listen, I'm sorry if you can't help but watch me, but it's obvious it's been maybe a day you have not watched me, because you would have known that I was bringing down Abel. Now, should if you lose respect for me, my love, that not coming like down to me, coming like the shit when I shit out of my body will and able to turn around and look upon it. Who is you for lose respect for me? Like, make it make sense, Shibby. The next thing, remember, say a class in a class people for blood clot, live and eat. Me not have to do that because I have a 9 to 5. Plus, I'm an entrepreneur as well. And for the record, the RT cocky, I could have never sucked my boss blood clot cocky for $500. You're crazy. This man had the short be money from blood clots, me, and not be to blood clot. I rather suck it for free. You could have never sucked RT wood for $500, Shibada. You're mad. You're mad. That means I'm a worthless and careless if me go suck feed RT cocky for $500. And be money RT the short for me, money and gifts. Are you guys mad?
How we do it, yeah?
Are you guys mad? Me rather suck him out for free, my love, because guess what? Him don't even have to pay me for suck. That the blood clot with them now for pay me for suck. Because it deserve a proper blood clot suck off from blood clots, me. You get
Lego more.
Because a whole heap of money him spend for bumbo clot, me. A whole heap of gift him spend for me, some deserve it.
More. Take a shot for your family, them. Going on. You know, see, I look war.
There, man.
Two. Shibada, fix it. Or you deal with it.
Who?
Shibada, this, or you fix it.
Oh, we fix Shibada? Where you say?
Me, I say, oh, you fix the situation.
Oh, you have fix the situation? Shibada don't.
But lose respect.
You see me?
Lose respect.
You can't
Me need respect, you know. Me look like a somebody respect blood clots, you know. Sweetheart, you're playing in shit. Don't fuck yourself. Me look like a somebody respect you. Me say, so you make your money. This is how you make your money. This is not how me make my money. Come here, say taps and roses.
When you say Shibada, you say Shibada full of germs.
No problem. You don't have to bring down blood clot people to live and survive, my love. I don't have to do that.
When you say Shibada, you say him full of junk.
My queen, I think you should have just leave it. Fear for your ear. I think you should have leave it. And let Patrol and more other people angry. Leave it alone.
But me not say anything, but I didn't hear it. But RT, let me tell you, I could care less who want to respect me or who's out for me. And RT, not for anything unknown disrespect. You couldn't give me $500 to suck your hood. You must be crazy. You're crazy.
Maybe 250. 500.
You must say you have blood clot money and take $500 from you. You must be mad. A problem, my love.
But me not get too much neither. 500.
But that's why I couldn't suck it. Because you now give me what I want. $500 monkey money, my love. And 1 10 or 2 fucking bucks to ensure that for Aria Logan. Plus $100 for gas and make it make sense. I'm not sucking any wood for $500. I'm not doing it. Worse when the man is a money man. I'm not doing it.
That's expensive. Nobody has to do it.
Well, RT, my thing is very expensive. I'm not sucking no wood for $500. I'm big up the local cocky them because I soon go wash off for Derek and Yami. Don't Derek. Come here, say Derek has look woman now.
So when Mr. Germs get that from say you suck RT wood. When get that from Miss Blinger?
Then always I make up a story when I speak. But here's the thing about it. More love. You see? Let's say me figure suck RT wood. He would have deserve it. He would have deserve it because I know a little bit of gift and money him throw upon me. And a little bit. What me got more love. RT a man will take out all 4,000 and throw upon me and say, left this to somebody, left that, do this, do that. But now look, sure, I'm gonna spend for Shibi. Bye.
Maybe I may get my money back.
Huh?
Shibada come fear though. Shibada come fear.
He must come, but guess what? He must turn back. Come in and look a blood clot. She don't have nothing to tell me. I feel like she be over there tell. Number 1, me don't know nothing about no local cocky. Number 2, me don't know nothing about no cocky war with me a fight. Number 3, me don't know nothing about no man. Me don't have man problem. Number 4, me never suck RT wood. It's just pure fucking lies, on top of lies. So it don't really matter. Me can't argue with people who tell lie. I'm love. You crazy?
So if you did do it, if you did do it, you would have talked.
More love. I am that type of person. Of course, mother talk with me the beat.
More love, like how you name pussy and lick body, you attack.
Who for body will lick? Always me a lick for your body, me not lick for your own pussy hole.
It's all when. You see what me I say? You see what me I say?
Move your blood clot.
Why all when come out of your mouth?
Move your blood clot, RT boss. Always me and them body, me and them feel. Move your ass clot from yourself.
Bling, I appeal like Shibada tell because are you not cheap, sir?
Hello?
RT, just dash some money for Bling, I am, man.
But we don't have to dash them money for me get a lot.
But what me I say, 500, me see the live this morning, and me I say, why me I tell you?
But in next
Him not stay and I'm laying, you know, somebody go flap him, you know.
he slap a blood clot ready. Not, them have to bring down people to live. Him and put it down. That's their niche. Them bring down people to live. That's how them get paid, by bringing down people. I don't do that. I read things when I do reviews and I get run out for me and saw girl and that's it. Stop for them everything, my love.
But when Shibada go live, me not see nobody I give Shibada. When Shibada go on live, I don't see nobody from Nicki Minaj give him the last time. I don't see nobody give him. From him get the one lion there, I don't see nobody
More love,
give him.
that I like, people give him, but we not like him have a whole heap of gifters.
What I'm not fully forgive Palestine, that man have to do to me. The whole of them, I class Abel.
Class him, blinger. Bring him
But no,
down.
no, mother.
Bring him down. Able too bright. Bring him down. Bring down Able. Bring him down. Me just sorry how you not finish that topic there.
Savage, we're not going to start.
Mark
You bring down
time.
somebody.
Eh?
You bring down somebody.
Cuss him and tell him all what you don't know. Cuss him. Tell him all kind of things. Disgrace him.
Oh.
Me a echo.
And me a echo. Me a come down.
First of all, me over here, me do the things them. Right now, Evelyn a problem with the girl where my fuck. Right now, Evelyn a problem. Right now, Catwoman feel like say she lose because in a Catwoman head, she had the rife and she had the real one. Me ask Christ I be a war one behind the scenes. You soon see him come out and a talk. Oh, people just pack up, bring a head. Nobody now pack up my head. Drunk, you look a crow bait. You shit kick, you drunk and dog shit.
Lad.
You see him have sister? You have sister? You know what I'm telling you? To me, I feel like she's supposed to click her live now at daytime and just build our little team because you have people who out there sorry for her and who didn't fear, like RT them. So she will make it. She will get through. She just have to she have to go back to him. No matter how sweet him come, I beg back pussy and them something there. Oh, I'm sorry, you know I didn't mean this. You know how men are. Just mash up.
Ladies and gentlemen, don't forget I am a business associate. I'm a clever TikTok thief. I have my partner starting this weekend. It named Small Partner, $100 a week. Don't forget you have to be someone who may know what cuss our class, me or we talk or interact already to be a part of the partner and working. If you are in Jamaica, in order to come in the partner, you need 2 passport picture, a copy of your ID, a letter from a police, and stamped by a JP.
How much I draw?
I joke, me make. You don't need all of that with the ID Jamaica. That's a joke. But you have in America, in the partner. All right, it's a small partner. The minimum is for run a 4 grand, 3.5. Small partner, so it's a 3.5. You have one for 10, the 10 one. And you have one at 10 that are done in December. Also, we might start another 10 one too. So, $100 a day, $100 a week, $200 a week. The partner start the 7th. You have to be someone who may know up in the energy.
Me can't come in there with half an.
Half $100?
What do you mean? I'm going to get $100 from Hardy?
I'm not make you look so bad. You make bad look bad, come. Happy man.
Let me go run the Uber.
Come. 100 single that. So come. If you say you can pay $50 then, you must can find a man or if you have your man to pay the next $50.
You don't have any man, Artie. That's the next thing me gonna look for you, one man.
You're not gonna find on yourself because you're type of man them.
Matty, please pick up yourself.
You're type of man them that so them in
$1 a week. I don't sound bad. 4 grand a draw. Every week somebody get draw?
Yeah.
Okay, so me can't tell you like when me don't want my draw.
Me work with you like how I know you, but you have to carry able to throw.
No, me go throw man, it's so uninterested, me like that. I want to come into it and I want my draw November and my birthday.
All who interested, link Milo. Share bank it to me, but I'm me in charge.
Okay.
And then after that, bring on supposed to start back fair one. So I'm going to make sure we have the money. Because that should be the royal family do it, the billionaires do it, after it to go. Oh, you're quiet now.
What? So, no one know what we are going to do about the case. Should I just leave it? Because seriously, I was cursing April. The people can tell you. Me just
but that done, it fixed. It fixed. We not go through it and we still there through it. What else we talk about? What else we talk about?
No. So you say it done then? The case done?
Alright, we're not going to say it done, but him wrong. And that's it. We just have to see what's going on from here. So we say him wrong.
But you need not come in our box yet.
You need to stay in our box, come. Okay, so guys, so the case done. That the case they done. Okay, fine.
That's it. Pass. It passed.
It passed.
All right, adjourn.
It's adjourned.
It throw out.
No, we're not sure it might come back.
Okay. So we have one case, the Jadna Ashley case, but
Redo.
that case there out in our